Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to deliver project on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to deliver project on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to deliver project on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to deliver project on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Here is the interface of a seller. If you are a buyer, you will not see this interface. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of your screen. Click on paper type icon right after inbox. Now click on the order you want to deliver. Now click on three dots at the top right corner. Click on deliver now. Here you can upload your project by clicking on link button. After selecting the project, click on send. Your project will be delivered to client. There you go. If you wanted to know how to deliver project on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.